Hey, what's up, guys and girls? It's Jesse Daley. Welcome back to Daily Weather, and welcome back to today in the tropics. We have had a lot of rain here in the Virgin Islands. Let's take a quick look at what we can expect in the next few days and also what the National Hurricane Center is currently looking at. Okay, my friends, let's take a very quick look at what's happening today here in the tropics for Wednesday, November 13th, 2024. And my friends, on Wednesday morning, things are drying out a little bit here for us here in the U.S. Virgin Islands, but we will still have a chance of rain over the coming days. The main story, however, is that the National Hurricane Center is watching an area of low pressure in the western to central Caribbean Sea that has a high chance of cyclonic development. This system is expected to intensify into a tropical depression over the next couple of days, and if it intensifies even further into a cyclone with maximum sustained winds of at least 39 miles per hour, it would be given the name Sara, the 18th named cyclone of the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season. Now, the computer models are expecting an eventual turn toward the Gulf of Mexico with this system, and we need to watch this very closely, especially for Florida and the Florida Keys, for example. Here's a look at the model ensembles for the European computer models, and the computer models are in pretty good agreement that something will form and then move into the Gulf of Mexico over the coming days. The same is true for the global forecast system ensembles, the American model, showing a system develop and moving close to Florida. Definitely need to watch this very, very closely. Hurricane season officially ends on November 30th. Hopefully things will begin to wind down a bit. Fortunately, the Climate Prediction Center's Global Tropics Hazards Outlook is not predicting an increased chance of cyclonic development into November and December. It doesn't mean that it can't happen, but it's good to see that things might be a little less likely for something to form in the next few weeks. Still, we should all continue to follow the National Hurricane Center for the latest updates. Finally, there have been multiple reports of earthquakes around the Caribbean for the last few days, including a large quake near Cuba last weekend. Please be sure that you familiarize yourselves with earthquake safety tips. Finally, if you would please consider hitting that subscribe button here on Daily Weather, I would really appreciate it. I love bringing you videos from here in the Virgin Islands. And as always, my friends, I hope you stay safe, and I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine.